Hey folks, Jay here. Quick story for you. Yesterday I was kind of running a routine update checking for my Windows 11 24H2 system, Windows Update, and stumbled upon something interesting. First, it was KB5060842, installed with no problem. Because of the problem with the 8499 that I told you guys on the last video, but be careful with that. But I did go to and install the KB5060842, no problem there. Then moments later, I hit the check for updates button, and boom, KB5063060 showed up. Same day, same update session. So I did what any curious PC enthusiast would have done. I watched what happened next. Don't know why, but I did. But now both of these cumulative updates, which means they are bundled all in prior fixes and enhancements into one package. But here's the thing. KB5060842 showed up first as a primary update, and only after that downloaded. Well, not downloaded. I hit the update button and it downloaded, and it 3060 popped up. It became visible. So that tells me the second update was likely gated behind the first, which we know that it was a patch. But anyway, it's either by service stacking logic or dependencies. Who knows? I've seen this behavior before, and it usually means Microsoft is stacking up their updates to roll out new components or prep for upcoming features, since it was supposed to be a Tuesday rollout, but it wasn't. Since installing them on my system, both have been stable. No weird taskbar flickers, no file explorer misfires, not even the typical post-patch slowdown. Just smooth sailing, and that alone is worth noting when updates hit back-to-back. Cumulative updates they're much more than just bug sweepers. Okay, they often include service stack updates, back-end optimizations, and even feature enablements tucked behind group policies or registry flags. So with this sequencing, the first update was KB5060842, unlocks the second update, KB5063060. Like I said, this might be a soft rollout, but I'm definitely thinking it's a compatibility issue, a patch. Microsoft sometimes pushes updates in waves, especially when their firmware or driver coordination needs to be involved, but not so much. And if KB5060842 introduced anything at the kernel or API level, KB5063060 may have needed that for the groundwork in the first place. So basically, they were going to roll out KB5063060, got cold feet, but come out with 5060842, and it didn't work out so well. So they patched it up with the rest. Okay, so now, performance-wise, my boot times felt a little bit snappier. I noticed my system idle was just a little bit cooler, and less CPU spikes from Windows Search Indexer. Might be perception, but if you've seen similar changes, leave a comment on the video so that way we can compare notes. Did you get the same updates? Any quirks, boost, or weirdness? Let me know your thoughts. So there you have it, 2 updates, 1 curious sequence. 0 issues so far. I'll keep monitoring for any odd behaviors, but I wanted to share this with you guys, so you understand Windows updates and its behavior, and well, I'm going to tell you, the behaviors of Windows, it matters a lot to gamers. It really does. Especially if you're going to manage a system with multi-uses, or you want to avoid being the first one to hit the compatibility issue. A lot of gamers don't want to hit that compatibility issue, so keep that in mind. Let me know if you've seen this dual update pattern, or something broke on your end. or if something did break, let me know. Toss your rig specs in the comments, hit the like if this saved you time, and subscribe for more hands-on breakdowns like this. Oh yeah, back-to-back updates might not be the headline news, guys, but this kind of behind-the-scenes behavior, that's where the real stories live. If you're into tuning, tracking, or actually understanding what your system is doing, you're in the right place. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you know and you don't miss out on the next deep dive. And if you want to support the channel and become part of the family, hit the join button to unlock exclusive perks, behind the scenes, tech sessions with me. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll catch you on, well, I could catch you, but if I catch you, I'll get a broken back, but you guys know the point. I'll catch you in the next one or video. Peace out, guys.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.